recliners. Ramps got made. People who made ramps. I don't know, probably checks out. Notes. Just down here trying to get some measurements. Why reinvent the wheel when you have kind of what you want sitting right there? Let's. Oh yeah. So this week I got to build two little boxes, one to fit right here and it goes down to the cinder, and one that fits here and just goes down to the ground. Yep, right back at it. Alright, we got some tape tech going on in here, but it's on the inside that matters. There's the inside of that box, a little bit of wood glue just for fun, and another one down there just trying to wait to go in his hole. So today I cut just a couple more holes because I was getting worried about stability. Okay, all my boxes are good. Time for a little more rebar. Yeah, one step closer to reality. And with that, I think that is a wrap until concrete. Yeah, Raj. Yeah, what's up, Alex? Down there with the metal tabber. That's really fucking it, dude. Pretty much done. Good morning. Keeping that cure going. I seriously have no patience. I'm like a kid in a candy store, but look at fucking this shit is solid, dude. Really backing the Sawzall with no attachment. Monday you can fall apart. Tuesday, Wednesday break my heart.
Alexis Sablon, Lacey Baker. Right into your car. Let's do it.
Little 2X. From here to there.
Messages. Absolutely. You know, I'm excited. Absolutely. By the way,
I think we're returning to more of the original vibration of music and creativity.
So, this is my little depth finder. You know, just enough for a little bit of mortar in there. We're getting ready to go prep the spot tonight. Fuck yeah. That was the fucking sketchiest shit ever, but that's all we need. Dude, pretty amazing. All right, we'll see you guys there.
See ya.
Essential. Pump through it, go full speed.
Yeah, Nick. Yeah, Nick.
That's as much as I'm doing. Y'all got a whole lot out of me just hitting 8-foot grip, long live Nipsey on 6.
There we go. Spots getting prepped. Fuck 'em. Coming in hot. Somebody better call the paramedics. This thing's fucked. It's pretty obvious to me the city's not gonna do shit for a while, so there's deadly rebar everywhere. I came out, I broke it all down, I took the pillar out, I saved some coping for myself, I threw all the rebar and rubble under the skatable hump, and I retaped their caution tape. Well, that's a wrap for everything fucking Noodle. Until next time. Noodle starter kits. Some assembly required.